Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Mr. Potato Head from Toy Story. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Draw a small line above the circle. Connect the line to the circle for the head shape. Draw a vertical line to split the head into two parts. Draw a horizontal line at the connecting point of the circle. Draw eyes. Draw nose. Draw mustache. Draw mouth. Draw shoes. Draw shoes. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw cap. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.